Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so let's begin. DaVinci Resolve is a great video editing tool. So first of all, you need to go and open up a web browser like so. Now just come to a search engine and you can go search for DaVinci Resolve. The official site is blackmagicdesign.com, and what you can do is go and scroll down like so. You should go and see the option free download. Now when you click there, you can then go and choose the version you want. The version on the left here is the free one. So in this case, I'll go and click on Windows like so. Now what you need to do is go and fill in this form in order to go and download it. After you've filled it out, you can tap on Register and Download at the bottom, and download should automatically start. If it doesn't, you can click on it, but you can see it's now downloading, so go and wait. Then open up your File Explorer, go over to the left and click on Downloads. You should go and find it. This is a zip file, so what you need to do is go and select it, then right-click, and you can go and click on Extract All. Click on Extract. When it's finished, the folder will go and open. You can then go and run the installer. So go double-click on it like so, and it's now going to start the process. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, which you need to agree to, and then we can go see the components we need to install. Leave them ticked, or go and tick them if you need to. Then tap Install, and it will start. We've now got the setup wizard. I'll click Next. Make sure you read through the license agreement. I already have, and press Next. Then you can choose where you want to install it. That's fine. I'll press Next, Next, and then we can press Install. Now to complete the installation, you can then go and run DaVinci Resolve. So go and double-click on the shortcut, or search it at the bottom. And just like that, here we are in DaVinci Resolve. You can then go and make a new project. We can go and start editing. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can download and install DaVinci Resolve. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.